Hello everyone, welcome to the launch of Hikvision's latest innovations. I'm Jaden, and today I'm excited to introduce our groundbreaking advancements. We are unveiling the DarkFighter 2.0 low-light imaging technology, along with the next-generation DeepinView IP cameras and Ultra Series PTZ cameras that apply this cutting-edge technology. First, let's start with the DarkFighter 2.0 technology. DarkFighter 2.0 is engineered to excel in challenging lighting conditions, delivering clarity and detail like never before. Paired with the advanced features of our DeepinView Generation 2 cameras, these technologies work together to redefine what's possible in low-light environment. As a further step up from the original DarkFighter 1.0, the most noteworthy part of the new DarkFighter 2.0 model upgrade is the AI-powered ISP chip. Different from the conventional ISP chip used in 1.0, this new chip, along with the robust hardware upgrade, allows DarkFighter 2.0 to overcome typical optical challenges and deliver stunning, high-quality images in low-light environments. There are 4 key improvements DarkFighter 2 brings: SharpMotion, ShotN, Auto AWDR, and high frame rate. Each enhancement contributes to a richer and more detailed image. Okay, the first highlight feature is the SharpMotion, which focuses on AI noise reduction. It can provide sharp and colorful video of the motion with minimized noise by combining AI and image signal processing, which is ISP. From this demo video, you can see how brilliantly this feature brightens up low-light scenes, making everything pop, especially the subjects you are interested in, like people and vehicles. This is done by the AI-powered ISP. Actually, traditional ISPs can deliver satisfactory performance already, especially in good daylight. However, challenges can arise, particularly when capturing images at night. The demand for brighter details and reduced noise is where our deep learning AI steps in. Our advanced technology develops noise reduction models through deep neural networks. By learning from the vast array of video image noise samples, we, in the end, can effectively separate signals from noise, ensuring that crucial object details are beautifully preserved in your video images. The next highlight feature is ShotN. When talking about capturing crisp low-light video images, conventional cameras often struggle with this, especially when trying to snap both pedestrians and vehicles moving at different speeds. During the daytime, it's a breeze, but at night, the lack of light can be quite a challenge. That's when we encounter a bit of puzzle. Conventional cameras allow us to set a single exposure time for everything in the video. If we adjust exposure to perfectly capture pedestrians, vehicles might end up looking too bright and lose their details. On the flip side, setting it for vehicles can leave our pedestrian friends in the dark. It seems that we are trapped in a kind of dilemma. So, is there a way to meet both needs with just one camera? Now, the answer is yes. The innovative DarkFighter 2.0 ShotN feature effectively addresses these needs with its advanced multi-exposure capabilities. Equipped with a powerful processor, the camera with ShotN empowers you to set 2 distinct exposure parameters, one optimized for capturing people and the other tailored for vehicles. The live view image utilizes the person-friendly exposure settings, providing a clearer and brighter image. Meanwhile, the vehicle-specific exposure settings enhance the multi-target type detection AI algorithm and its vehicle-related alarm captures. This ensures crystal clear details for both subjects at night without any compromise. It greatly enhances adaptability in complex scenarios and guarantees consistent all-day reliability for multi-target type detection. But take care. ShotN works validly only in multi-target type detection mode. It cannot be used alongside dual AI or WDR or auto WDR to ensure optimal performance. Also, we support high frame rate and AWDR in DarkFighter 2.0 and more advanced features launching or upgrading in the feature for optimal image quality. Next, let's move on to the high frame rate. Imagine watching sports events or busy production lines where every fast-moving object is sparkling clear, whether live or in slow motion replay. Capturing at a high frame rate makes everything smoother and more detailed. We've got some fantastic network cameras that go up to 60 FPS at 2 megapixel, and that's just the beginning. Our new generation cameras with DarkFighter 2.0 take it to an entirely new level. With even stronger hardware, some models can reach 60 FPS at 8 megapixel or 120 FPS at 2 megapixel. It likes doubling the fun from before, making everything clearer and smoother for viewing delight. Add a note. The ultra-high frame rate is not only valid for monitoring mode, it cannot be enabled with ShotN and auto WDR at the same time. Our WDR, which is wide dynamic range, got an amazing enhancement as well. Its performance has been enhanced to 150 dB on select DarkFighter 2.0 cameras. The standout feature, Auto WDR, allows the camera to automatically adjust to the environmental lighting, turning WDR on or off as needed. This is suitable for scenarios with ever-changing light conditions. Imagine the hallway with bright sunlight streaming in during certain times of the day, requiring WDR for a clear image. As the sun shifts, WDR becomes unnecessary. Plus, this dynamic lighting changes with seasons and other factors. Thanks to Auto WDR, we adapt well to these changes. And please don't forget, the WDR effect itself is even better now. But please know that Auto WDR cannot be enabled at the same time as ShotN and high frame rate. We compare DarkFighter 1.0 and DarkFighter 2.0 WDR performance around our office building, indoors and outdoors. You can already spot some enhancements when we zoom in for a closer look. Look at the tree, the box, and all the walls from the outdoor WDR testing, or the testing boards, the car, and the trees in the backgrounds of the indoor WDR testing. It's clear that the DarkFighter 2.0 images are packed with brighter and more clarity details in every part of the scene. Here, we are glad to share some exciting first-hand testing results with you. What you are looking at is the DarkFighter 2.0 SharpMotion. As we mentioned before, designed to give you a brighter, clearer view at night with minimal noise. Both DarkFighter 1.0 and 2.0 provide outstanding nighttime videos with vivid details and color. However, the DarkFighter 2.0 is even better in delivering vibrant color and sharp detail, offering a cleaner and clearer viewing experience. During our test, we set up the DarkFighter 1.0 and DarkFighter 2.0 cameras with identical optical specifications for a fair comparison. We conducted this in an outdoor, low-light nighttime environment without any supplemental lighting, and we ensure that supplemental lights on all cameras were turned off. When the DarkFighter 2.0 is implemented in products, what kind of outstanding updated performance will the products have? Let's focus on DeepinView Generation 2 first. In fact, as the flagship model of the project cameras, DeepinView Generation 2 builds on the fantastic features of the Generation 0, and we've got some exciting enhancement in 4 key areas: ultimate image quality, powerful edge intelligence, industry-leading performance, and high reliability. You've already witnessed the stunning image quality with DarkFighter 1.0, so let's dive into the other outstanding features. Building upon the remarkable capability of deep learning AI technology, we proudly offer 2 distinctive product lines. The first includes our multi-intelligence cameras equipped with advanced 8-in-1 AI algorithm, such as parameter protection, people counting, multi-target detection, AIOP, and more. The second line features of our AIOP cameras, which are expertly designed for sophisticated vehicle intelligence. Our G0 products allow users to manually select any supported AI or use a preset schedule, ensuring exceptional flexibility to accommodate a variety of project requirements. However, our Generation 2 models even take it a step further by enabling the simultaneous operation of 2 AI algorithms on a single camera. With our robust computing resources, we are not only enhancing flexibility, but also unlocking greater potential for intelligent applications. For instance, a parking lot might need ANPR passing vehicle records for evidence, and also an auto intrusion alarm to warn pedestrians from stepping onto the traffic lanes and putting themselves in danger. Now, both analytics can be done at the same time by only one G2 ANPR camera. Or picture a bustling construction site, where the manager wants to make sure there are no more than 6 workers inside a certain operation zone, and all workers are wearing hard hats. Now, we can have both on one Generation 2 multi-intelligence camera, one by AIOP and the other by people counting. It can protect not only the workers, but also ensure that the operation is well regulated. The DeepinView series brings a delightful blend of privacy protection with both static and dynamic mosaic options. For static privacy masking, up to 8 regions can be supported per camera. Well, for the dynamic mosaics, the Generation 2 models provide exciting enhancements over Generation 0. Unlike Generation 0, which offers dynamic mosaics only on select models and in limited AI algorithm modes, the Generation 2 models supported across all AI algorithm models. Besides, G0 supports dynamic mosaics for either full body or facial coverage, while the Generation 2 models add support for license plate mosaics, enhancing your privacy options. Looking ahead, we are glad to integrate Generation 2 models with M-Series NVRs by Q4 2024. This will allow authorized users to access demosaic functionality, further expanding privacy control options. Please note that Generation 0 models will not support demosaic with NVR. The next generation DeepinView includes IDS7 G2 models, most of which are DarkFighter 2.0 full-featured. For example, as is shown here, the high-end 7 series bullet cameras of both f1.0 super confocal lens and a large sensor, providing unparalleled image quality in the industry. Besides, the versatile 6 series cameras also come with a large sensor and offer a wide range of resolution options and designs. With features like 5G connectivity, built-in SSD storage, and PTRZ functionality, the 6 series models deliver flexibility and performance to suit diverse project needs. We are also excited to introduce the upgraded IDS-8 G2 power, now enhanced with the DarkFighter X dual sensor and dual lens tandem VU design. This camera captures both wide views and fine details in a single shot, making it ideal for a range of applications. With DarkFighter 2.0, the IDS-8 G2 series provides unmatched clarity and performance, ensuring every detail is captured. Okay, a quick wrap-up for this product. Our DarkFighter technology has reached a new level with the 2.0 upgrade. It keeps all the standout optical features you love, now enhanced with next-generation AI-powered ISP technology and cutting-edge processors. This means sharper motion and optimized image quality, no matter the lighting conditions. DarkFighter 2.0 will first launch on our DeepinView Generation 2 cameras and later on a few other high-performance network cameras and PTZ models, making this advanced capability available for a wider range of applications. The DeepinView Generation 2 cameras don't just deliver exceptional image quality, they also feature dual AI performance, offering powerful deep learning intelligence and unmatched flexibility for a wide range of scenarios. With high reliability design, innovative features, and a broad selection of models, the Generation 2 series makes your project hassle-free. Next, we would like to introduce you to the Ultra PTZ, also equipped with DarkFighter 2.0. Ultra PTZ support core functions such as large zoom, high resolution, excellent low light effect, rapid focus, professional image stabilization technology, optical defog, IK10/IP67, DeepinView intelligence, and auto tracking 3.0. The tandem VU PTZ cameras feature like Hikvision's next-generation camera design, integrating multiple lenses in one security camera to provide big pictures and small details in tandem. The first one is our new DF7A PTZ, which boasts a more compact design compared to its predecessors, the DF6 and DF8. The smaller size makes it incredibly versatile and ideal for installations in tight or discrete spaces without compromising on performance. But please don't let its size fool you. This PTZ is packed with powerful features, equipped with DarkFighter 2.0 for exceptional low light performance and a high frame rate for smoother footage. It also offers unparalleled agility. This ability to spin rapidly ensures faster target tracking and coverage over wide areas, making it perfect for dynamic environments that demand speed and precision. The F8C are also equipped to the H11 platform. Besides the new features with DarkFighter 2.0, the G1 version is also equipped with high frame rate, multi-target type detection, TPM, FISP 142 validated cryptographic model, vibration reduction, and new PTZ UI. The DF8C with IR models has been released as well. The third Ultra PTZ is our SF8C. The same as the F7A, it is upgraded to the H11 platform and all the functions are upgraded. It is noteworthy that, for this product, a 48 times optical zoom model with a 1/1.2 inch sensor is recommended. Now, let's check the night performance and zooming effect of the Ultra Series PTZ. This video shows the DF7A model. This is the end of our launch event. Thanks a lot for your time. We cannot wait to see our DarkFighter 2.0 new products meeting everyone. But please keep following the Hikvision website and social media for more information. In the next section, I will show you the appearance of our new product and the demonstration of the configuration and VCA of the camera. Let's start the demonstration of configuration and VCA. And I will show you the high frame rate update first. You can see that there are different resolution choices, and now is 4 megapixel. And the video frame rate can up to 50 FPS. When switched to the 2 megapixel, the video frame rate could up to 100 FPS. But here we are using the PAL format for the demonstration. When you switch to the NTSC format, it will be 60 FPS and 100 FPS. After our high frame rate, I will show you the VCA part. And here you can see different smart modes, like the multi-target type detection, face capture, comparison modeling, smart event, people counting, etc. I will introduce them briefly to you. For the multi-target type detection is mainly for detect person and vehicles features like their age and their gender and the color of their clothes and vehicle types, etc. For the face capture, obviously, is for capturing face and could be used to combine with comparison modeling. It could be applied for the wireless notification for better VIP service and could be also used for the block list notification. For the smart event is for the perimeter protection, including the line crossing, intrusion, region entrance, or exiting, etc. As for the people management, it could be used for the queue managing and also the heat map. For the multi-dimension people counting, like it could be used for counting the number of people entering and leaving and also count the walking rate. Well, for the AIOP, is for the customers who have intelligence application requests in various fragmented scenarios, counting animals in farms or detecting PPE vests, etc. Well, the customers could provide scenario-based training materials, and Hikvision provides an integrated solution for an algorithm training service. Well, you can see here the smart event is opened, and also the multi-target type detection. So, in this generation, we supported 2 AI mode open at the same time. And you can set the parameters for the different modes. Now I will show you the ShotN part. Like we mentioned before, ShotN cannot be enabled with other smart modes except the multi-target type detection. So I will close the smart event first and leave the multi-target type detection opened. Then, back to configuration. In the image, you can see the ShotN here. Open it. The device will be restarted. But after the device is opened, and the ShotN will be open too. Yeah, here you can see it's opened, and then we can modify the parameters of the cameras to make it better for capturing the pictures for vehicles or pedestrians. I changed exposure time here and also modified again. Then we can see how it will be like. Click here and display alarm. Then you can see, oh well, it's not for the live view, but in here, yeah, the vehicle detection. This picture is based on the settings we set before in the ShotN function. And besides that, you can also set all the parameters based on the application scenarios you want to use to make the quality of image better. Also, like for the multi-target type detection, because we enabled it, so for the dynamic mosaic mask, we could enable the face mosaic mask and human body mosaic mask at the same time. Let's take a briefly look of our new camera. First, let's focus on the scale patterned reflective units. Here, the H11 supplementary light uses a grid-shaped reflector and with a unique Hikvision patent technology. It can convert point light sources into area light sources. By such design, we can get soft and uniformly distributed light spots and better low-light viewing experience. It also supports the lens heating. In low temperature and high humidity environment, the front window of the camera is prone to fog and frost. The lens heater can remove fog and frost effectively, ensuring the camera operates stably in all weather conditions. Besides, we also upgrade our sun cover. The length of the sun cover is much longer than H87846 camera, which is much useful for shading and rain protection in real scenarios. Plus, turn to the back of the camera. It has rich interfaces, which is flexible for real application. In H8, there are too many long and hard cables with connection connectors and limited junction box space, making it difficult to install. Therefore, in the H11, we use simplified length and soft material pigtails, and the terminal connector has been removed to simplify the installation. Plus, the H11 share the same junction box with the current 7A bullet, which means compatible with current-related brackets. The junction box is already included in the camera package box. In addition to the standard model, the H11 will also launch the following specialized models, such as a 1T SSD model with large storage and 5G model, and also the long focal model, which can achieve a detection distance of 150 meters, and the PTRZ model, and others to meet the needs of various scenarios. Invited our product manager, Bert Yao, to be our guest speaker. Hello, Bert. Can you hear me?
Yes. Hello, everyone.
Hello, and it's really nice to see you here. And I noticed that you are joining our live stream the whole time. And maybe for this part, for the audience in our stream room, you can feel free to add any questions, focus on our product. And there are also some questions we collected from our guests before.
Okay.
For example, what is the scope of ShotN?
Okay. So for ShotN, we designed this function. The main purpose is to make sure when we are doing the multi-target type detection, we can always reliably capture the clear picture for human and the vehicles and do the attribution analysis. So this feature is only available after we enable the multi-target type detection, and because this feature is like a pretty high level function and it takes a lot of resource, so it's conflict with some other functions like the dynamic mosaic, the dual AI, and also the AWDR. And also please pay attention, when this feature is enabled, we only output one stream, the bright stream, but the captured image will have two separate. Okay.
Okay, thank you. And also, there is one question that, like, can I use dynamic mosaic when DeepinView Generation 2 is dual AI opened?
Unfortunately not, because the dynamic mosaic is kind of like another AI. So we have the performance limitation, and we can only enable dynamic mosaic and one AI in parallel.
Oh, okay. And also, does DeepinView Omni rotating mirror support smart dual opening on a single channel?
No, that's the same story because
Yeah.
the Omni has multiple channels,
Mm-hmm.
so the GPU resource is already divided onto the separate channels. So for each channel, we support only one AI.
Yes, got it. And also, what DarkFighter 2.0 features do DeepinView Generation 2, like in PANPR cameras support?
Yes. So there's just one thing different, because our AMPR cameras are dedicated for the license plate recognition, and it's just more professional use. So it doesn't have like all other AIs, including the multi-target tap detection. So it doesn't support ShotN, but like the SharpMotion, the AWDR, and the high frame rate are all supported on the AMPR cameras.
Okay. And another question is, does the DeepinView Generation 2 perimeter model support DarkFighter 2.0?
No, the perimeter protection model is special because we have used all the computing power for the large model for the perimeter protection to have the longest detection range and the fewest false alarms. So we do not support DarkFighter 2.0.
Yes. And can ShotN be used together with SharpMotion?
Yes.
Good to hear. And another question, I think that will be about, does the Generation 2 camera need to be restarted after switching to smart mode?
Okay, this has been a very frequent question actually. Compared to G0, our G2 cameras, it's developed with the open structure, which is called HEOP. So in this case, when we switch the analytics, it's no longer required to reboot the camera. But there are still some limitations which will require a reboot. That is, first, if you need to enable ShotN, disable ShotN, it will require a reboot. And if you want to switch between the monitoring mode and the AI mode, it will require a reboot. The main reason is we need to reallocate all the video resources to make the camera work correctly. And if you have any problems with AI, like other reboot, you can contact our HQ Andy guys. Okay.
Yes. And for another question I think we have is, does the 8 series tandem view tube machine support intelligent dual opening on a single channel?
No, that's actually the same story as the DeepinView Omni because the tandem view camera is already dual channels, and we support AIs on both two channels already, so we cannot do AI on one channel.
Thank you, Bert, and thank you all for joining our live stream. And that's the end of our webinar. Thank you for joining us, and hope to see you next time.